everybody, Todd Roundtree here at Austin American Technology, and I wanted to show you this really cool feature that we have on our X30 stencil cleaner. You won't find this anywhere else. This is our standard X30 stencil cleaner, and we have an option back here called our light box. Now, have you ever had a stencil get done after its wash and you're really not exactly sure whether your apertures are actually clean or not? Well, we have this really cool device. You actually just press this button on the touchscreen and check this out. Look, it lights up behind so you can actually see those apertures. Now what I'm showing you here, we're gonna go ahead and pop back out. I'm gonna bring the lift down so you can actually see what's going on back there. So you'll see once we get this lift all the way down, you're gonna see our light box assembly. This is an option we've had available for quite some time, but not everybody uses it or really knows about it. So we wanted to take this opportunity to kind of really show it off. Keep in mind you can add this to any new build as well as any existing X30 out there. We can actually retrofit yours in the field. So once again, our light box, this might blind you a little bit when we turn it on, but it actually allows us to backlight the stencil so that you can actually see all of your apertures. And once again, you won't see this on anybody else's equipment. So you got it right here, Austin American Technology. You can visit us at www.aat-corp.com. I look forward to talking with you. Thanks.